Guys, thank you so much for coming to POLYTUBE 2019. Thank you guys so much for coming. Everyone has come from abroad, come from over the shore, come from Tauranga, everywhere, all over
Australia.
Day one of POLYTUBE FONO. We're just going to start with introductions. So my name is Harriet. If you didn't know, this is our second annual event. So POLYTUBE is all about celebrating Māori and Pasifika content creators. A lot of us here have our own channels, have our own YouTube channels, and we know that POLYTUBE is our community. So it's all about uplifting each other, celebrating each other, and just being amazing that we're like Polynesians, you know, brown magic, all about that brown magic. We have our amazing MC, Dominic Blake.
Can I get a dog? Let's go! You can follow me on Instagram, dom.com. Well, I'm Dom, also known as Dom D. I come from Hawke's Bay, Hastings. Been living in Auckland for 2 years now. I'm fortunate enough to have known, hello Harriet, for the last 3 years, best friends with my partner. So that's how we created our relationship, and I think this is such a cool space. Love it.
Absolutely. So, if you guys didn't know, Dom is like a master's of ceremony. So, tell us about yourself.
Well, you know, so my MC career started about 3 years ago. I've MC'd red carpets at the Māori Music Awards, also done after parties for the Māori Music Awards, just community events, kapahakia events. I love, passionate about my reo Māori. Not that I'm fluent, but when I get the chance to speak the reo, I like to speak it. So, kōrero tia te reo. Other than that, just pretty fun, like to be a little bit of a hype and let's get in, you know, I'm just all about having fun and enjoying the time. It's cool.
Awesome. So what we're going to do is, firstly we're going to introduce ourselves. So I want everyone to come up from each channel, introduce yourself, where you're from, where you've flown from, driven from, skip, drive, swim. That was supposed to be funny, but...
That was funny.
Thanks. So we'll work through the group. We'll work from here. We'll get our first two, who are the youngest here, Brayden and Jay Chris. If you want to introduce them, you guys, that's fine. But the three of you guys come up and just come and introduce yourselves and what you guys are passionate about.
Hi, my name is Jay Chris. I'm from JVW Girls. A YouTube channel.
What do you guys do on your YouTube channel?
We do challenges with our family and our aunties and uncles. And we do everything we can come up with. Usually we do challenges and as you can see, challenges that we can afford.
So artist shy.
is like just performing arts and being proud of who you are. And I think that creating a YouTube channel, I'm able to like express the things that I wasn't able to express when I was younger. Or I'm still young, but like yeah. But yeah, proud to be here.
Let's come over here. Here we go.
I forgot the questions. Hi guys, I'm Michael K. If you guys don't know me. What inspired me to start YouTube? I guess it's my mum over there. Mama big with the. So yeah, what I do on my channel, I just do vlogs, roleplay, challenges with my family and stuff like that. Singing, I guess what inspired me to start was really my mum. She always wanted to push me at the door, like get me to express who I really am, show my true colors. Like I'm really a bubbly person and stuff like that. And I guess this channel still lets me do that. Like connect with people like you guys. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you guys organizing that and the community we have today. Yeah, Faye, what's there? Oh my gosh, I love you guys. Sorry about that.
Hello everyone. Hi. My name is Tara Ola. My channel name is Hey It's Tara. And I'm from here in Auckland. And yeah, we're part of the committee and I'm so happy to see every one of you, like watching you guys behind YouTube and everything. It's so good to finally meet everyone. And there's some new faces I haven't met yet, but yeah, I'm so nervous. But it's really nice to meet you guys and welcome. But yeah, thank you for coming.
Did you say you're from Auckland? Please explain the accent.
Okay, I live here in Auckland, but I grew up in America. From Utah, Salt Lake City. Yeah, that's why I have the accent. Yeah, thank you.
Round of applause.
Best friend. Yeah! Thank you guys.
Come on, Mercy. Come on, Mercy.
Hi guys, I'm Mercy. My channel is Laura Meets World. I'm basically a nobody. I know all of yous, but you guys don't know me. Yo, I'm from the home of the brave, and sorry, yo, sorry if you can't see me. I'm 20, but I look like I'm the height of a 7-year-old. YouTube was like a place for me to step out of my comfort zone, basically. I'm usually a shy person. I don't talk much. I saw all of you guys mingling before, and I was just sitting in my seat like, oh, I don't know. But yeah, basically, it's just for me to do stuff that I've never wanted, or I've always wanted to do, but never actually pushed myself to do it. I was basically inspired by one of my friends. She's my primary friend, life with Katie Green. When I saw her do it, I was like, oh shoot, I want to do it now. You know, you gotta live, you only live once, so yeah. And yeah.
Hello. What's poppin'? My name is Mia. My channel is 13 years old. And sorry, I'm nervous. I do vlogs and challenges. I also have a sister channel, but my sister is there, but she doesn't want to get up. Her name is Bella. And yeah, thank you.
I am Amanda, aka the Salmon Vlogger, and I hail from the east side of Auckland, aka GI. Bitterness for those of you that don't know where GI is. So what got me to start my channel is basically my life experiences and what I've been going through. So for some of you that don't know, I'm a cancer survivor. If it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be standing here in front of you today. And so basically my life experiences, I'm wanting to share my journey. And at the current moment, I'm dealing with heart failure with only 35% of heart capacity. But you know what? It hasn't stopped me from breathing. And yeah, that's basically why I wanted to start YouTube, because I don't want it to restrict me from living my life and sharing good vibes with everyone, and that no matter what you go through, just be happy. And shout out to my cousins. Just before I know they're really fun vibes, they just need to tell it down a bit. But yeah, they're also the reason why I wanted to start putting more content out there. So thank you so much to my cousins. And that's me.
What up, guys?
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Excuse you. Come on. Anyway, we're as the last man, and then from Set Production, and we've got a siblings channel, and we do life. And I call this one out a lot, call that one out a lot. She thinks she's a snap.
She thinks she's a whole snap.
He's a snap.
But yeah, no, it's awesome to meet everyone finally. You know, we follow, we watch you guys, and it's obviously awesome to see everyone come together again. Thanks you, Harriet. But yeah, that's us.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. I don't have a channel, but I'm here to support Mercy. She's my cousin, and just a little advice from my cousin. She needs to get out more, and I'm glad that she actually came out, because she's not the type of person that would come out to places like this. And yeah, it's cool being here, and I think I'm gonna make a channel for this.
How you going, guys? So I'm Hook and I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Yeah.
I've been here for 4 years now. But it's good to be back. See you guys, socialise, network, get some ideas and new concepts, take it back home and spread it to the boys that couldn't make it. But also to me and my family as well. But my YouTube channel is BeezyBar685. That's just the boys call me Beezy. Beezy's my tag name. Pretty much what I do is nervous. I do reactions and then I do like mirror videos, stuff like that. But I'm pretty sure, just like myself, a lot of people want to do more than what they're doing at the moment. There's more ideas they want to expand, stuff like that. But yeah, for us in Australia Sydney, we call it like adding to the culture, like doing our part, showcasing like art and culture, whatever it is. So we just call it the movement, part of the movement. And I'm pretty sure a lot of islanders, creators, content creators, the past maybe 12 months or 24 months, the pace just should be picking up. More and more creators, more and more people adding to it. So it's good to see. Like compared to last year's POLYTUBE, it looks like it's double the size. So yeah, I'm happy to be here and thank you for the invitation and putting it on. So yeah.
Thank you.
Hi everyone! So we're just the 4 of us vlogs. So yeah, we're a sister channel. I'm the youngest, I'm 21. I'm not 21, I'm stuck. And my name is Meeks, but if you don't know how to say Meeks, you can say it. Hi everybody, I'm C, and I'm the one that's always
vlogging because these guys don't want to be holding like the phone in public. But, so we're like mainly just passionate about our family and church, and that's where we vlog the most. And we saw our channel grow when we started going to Samoa and doing our little vlogs here and there. And yeah, I'll hand it over to Vids. Hi everybody, my name is Mio. I'm the blind shy one. So what inspired us to start our channel was actually the Lealta vlogs. So we started watching them, like their families and stuff. So shout out to Lealta vlogs and also to Mal and Vids. So yeah, we create our YouTube so we can like still look back on our like family memories and stuff, because you know YouTube will always be there. But yeah, thanks. What's up everybody? My name. No, sorry about my live laugh. I was like sitting down, I was like to Mil, oh my gosh, am I laughing too loud? Anyways, my name is Sylvia, or my name is Cookie, or Cooks. You want to call some cooks on our channel? Not cooks, cooks. Anyways, yeah, like my sister said, yeah, we started this because we wanted to, you know, video everything and look back on our memories. It's so weird when you look at everyone's YouTube and they're like watching them at home, and then you see them in your life and they're like, oh my god. So that. Anyways, yeah, it's good to be here. It's so fun. Like, we don't really do this as well. We always like just go to church. I mean, like, and other things too. But anyways, it's good to be here. Thanks for having us. Thanks, Harriet, girl, and Ben. All right, thanks. Sydney, Australia. What I do on my channel, pretty much everything that I can get my camera on, you know. Most, let's just say, most of big girls, yeah! I'm kidding. Just like to thank Harriet just for this massive event. It's so good to see everyone's beautiful faces, and I can't wait for tomorrow, today. Let's get litty, guys! Yeah.
Hi everyone! Hi! This is our first POLYTUBE. We are so excited to be here. We couldn't wait to get here today, even though we were a little bit late. That's okay, we're here. But my name is Mal, and this is my husband, Reginald, and this is our daughter, Angelina. And we are from Hearts and Ashes, which, yeah.
Yeah, so there's mainly 3 reasons why we started our YouTube channel. The first was just what I said, speed family memories, which came from our cousins that we asked about earlier told us about that. Second is so we make memories with our daughters then. We don't know our daughter passed away, and we have her ashes, so we got to take her into the gate to sit around and watch. And the third is, third reason, so we prank the hell out of my wife. Yeah, just like the same thing, people, opportunities to come together, we're putting it time for it.
Hi guys. Hi. I really called in a good looking couple that so they just come up. Okay. My name is Faye and I have a channel called Faye Vids. The reason why I started because I thought I can eat a lot, right? And then my husband always says I eat a lot, but I'm the slimmer one of the two. So yeah. So guys, I'm so happy to see everyone. You know, I always watch you guys. That's all I do is watch YouTube, and I enjoy watching POLYTUBE. I know I shouldn't be biased, but I am. Okay, I better get off. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the opportunity. And thank you very much for having me.
Our name is Katrina, this is Aisha. Our channel is Katrina and Aisha. We came from Brisbane, Australia. We're back planes. And we do vlogs, growth and motivation Mondays on our channel. We just started the Motivation Monday, so we just share our experiences on God. And I went through sickness and depression, so I expressed that on our channel, and I don't sugarcoat anything on this channel. And we do videos with our mum. She's not here, but she'll be jealous when she sees all these vlogs. She's your typical Cook Island mum who expresses everything with brutal honesty. Yeah, she says hello. That's it. So thank you.
First off, thank you, Hello Harriet and the committee for putting on such a good thing for us. Oh, I'm shy. Look at that. My name is Lani. My channel is just Lani for Seattle. So boring. I do just a little bit of everything. Mukbangs. I pretend to be a makeup artist sometimes. I try. And yeah, it's so good to see everybody. I'm a little bit shy, so I'll just come and be like, hi guys. But yeah, that's me. Good to see everybody and let's get it! Yeah! Hi everyone. So look at all the eyes. My name is Jen B, or you can just call me Jen. My YouTube channel is Jen OB. Obviously, it's just a wordplay on my name. I got a fun fun. Okay, so I'm from Brisbane, Australia, but I grew up here in New Zealand, so I haven't been back since 2011, so it's pretty cool to see that everything is literally still the same. I think the rose is upgraded a bit, but yeah, why did I start my channel? So I do vlogs, and it's just mainly like family vlogs. And yeah, pretty much like everybody else, just vlogging to keep the memories and etc. But yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. Thanks guys.
Do you know your family? What's good to know your family? Listen. My name is Duva. We are from Australia. Anyone from there? Yes, we come from there. Took us 2 days to get here, guys. We appreciate Ms. Harriet for the invite. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Our channel is the Tiana family. We have 2 little girls that are not beside us, Diamond and Sapphire, who are not here at the moment. But what inspired us is Ms. Harriet and also Faye Vids to start our channel. And on our channel, we try and do everything, but we have businesses as well. We're hairdressers. I try and be a makeup artist. We try and promote that falls, the islanders, in the community. Okay? Let's get it tomorrow.
Hey, good morning everyone, I'm Ms. Vids. It's really good to be here. It's an absolute pleasure just to be amongst a lot of Polynesians that have the same vision and the same dream. So like David said, we are Tanania family. We have 2 beautiful girls back in Sydney. Diamond and Sapphire, and I believe you used to miss your girlfriends, eh? Our mother that lives with us. But all in all, it's really good to meet everyone in the room. Geez, you're very tall, Harriet. But it's really exciting just to be amongst a lot of people that are here just to share happiness. And like David said, we're from the desert out in Perth, but we took a lot of time to get here because this means a lot to us. So praise the Lord that we can have this opportunity, but most importantly, let's just put all the ideas on the table to try and better it. Like David was saying, Polynesians, we should be really proud. And I'm sure everyone has a story on how you've come out to do this, because it's really not in our nature too. So thank you everyone for the invitation. We're really looking forward to this.
Okay, video no marketing as part and I am halfway. Hello, I don't know if you know me or not. My name is Avi, real name Mahikini. I'm Māori, Hawaiian, and I'm not a vlogger, but I have an Instagram. And I just got to give credit where it's due. I got to where I am today because of my ex-partner. We started gymming together, and he just started posting me on his gram, and I blew up. And because of me. And people just started following me. And people started to get to know who I was. They became intrigued, they wanted to learn more about me, so it just gave me an opportunity to share more of who I am. And I stepped away from his shadow, then I became Avi. I've had Instagram for a very long time, and it's just in the last 2 years that I've used it. And I find social media a way to impact people. That's the only reason why I keep doing what I'm doing. Honestly, I wanted to get off social media 2 weeks ago. But the influence and the impact that you can have on people in a positive way keeps me going. So I just want to encourage you all to just keep posting, keep sharing your life, keep being you, and live your truth, because you can't be you without being you. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to get to know you all, and let's just have a little bit of fun.
Hi, how's it going everyone? My name is Eleanor, and my channel is called Ellen Tough. I've been vlogging just for over a year now, but the reason why I do videos is for memories. So in the future, when I have my kids, I'm gonna have a husband, we have kids. So I can show my little tiny kids, like, this is what, this is what Mum and your grandma used to do, I was a fun person, and I still am.